Hello, lovely people. You're all welcome back to my channel. Kachi here, guys. Today we'll be making a goosey soup. Guys, we'll be making this soup you're seeing here. It's called a goosey soup. Guys, look at this yummy, delicious, beautiful looking soup, guys. This soup is so easy to make and it's so delicious. Good for your husband, good for your children, good for your entire family. Guys, if you like what you're seeing here, I would like you to watch this video to the end so you can learn it. Guys, today I have some protein in my fridge already. I didn't go to the market, so I got this fish from my freezer, and I will be joining it with the chicken that I have and the stockfish I have in the kitchen. Now I'm seasoning this protein with seasoning cube, onion, and salt. Now put it in on the heat. Proceed by this is the Egwusi, the chairman of the day. I added the remaining grinded onions into it, guys. The onions will help this Egwusi to form lumps. That's why you must use onion if you want to cook your Egwusi this way. This method requires you add some onions to it. Right about now I am pounding it a little. I'm going to pound it a little bit, then I'll add a little water to it and set it aside. Guys, our protein is ready. I proceeded by adding some water for the soup into the protein already. This water is what I'll be using to cook. Guys, right about now we'll be going in with our red oil, but in this oil I have Ofor in it, just a little bit of Ofor thickener. Right now that is the crayfish and the yellow pepper that I added. Crush in my seasoning cube, add a little bit of salt for the soup because I already have salt in the protein. Look at it. Right now we're going in with our Egwusi. This is the time that you will be adding that Egwusi, that you put the onion, and look at the texture of the Egwusi. I added a little bit of water because I don't want the lumps to be much, but I want it to be lumpy but not much, so I added some water to the Egwusi. Now cover the pot, allow it to cook, everything to combine. Guys, I came back, look at the face of the Egwusi. It has scattered, it has separated itself. So guys, right about now I'll be going in with the vegetable. This one that I'm using is called bitter leaf. Guys, you can use ugu, you can use water leaf, you can use green, you can use spinach. Yes. And guys, don't forget to also use ugu if you're using if you're using pumpkin. Don't forget to add uziza. You can only use uziza to make this soup, and the flavor will be out of this one, guys. Look at the little bit of the bitter leaf that I added into the soup. I'll be covering it and I allow the bitter leaf to cook. Guys, our food is ready. Look at the soup is ready. I hope you like it. This soup tastes so good. It's so delicious. God bless you and thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please subscribe.